Welcome back to Pharmacy Lecture. Today we will discuss about top pharmacy colleges in India, and their placement, rating, and about admission exams. You will also know about which companies offers jobs in which colleges. So, without wasting any time, let's begin today's discussion.
So, without wasting any time, let's begin. In India, most of the students who want to study medicine become doctors. This is why the cutoff for this field is exceptionally high, and many students fail to get admission in any medical college to pursue MBBS. People should realize that there are other branches in the medical field that they can pursue, which are equally important in this world. There are many top pharmacy colleges in India, which are well known for their contributions in this field. Many students take up pharmacy after completing their schooling. They need to realize that it is important for them to get into a good college for a better future. The reputed institutions in India provide high-quality education and good placement opportunities. The best pharmacy colleges in India accept entrance examinations, which vary from college to college. The most common entrance exams are Graduate Pharmacy Aptitude Test, which is GPAT, MHCET, UPSI, KCET, WBG, etc. Top pharmacy colleges in India in 2020. There are a lot of prestigious colleges in India that offer B.Pharm. Given below is the list of the top pharmacy colleges in India. They are ranked based on national importance, reviews, and ratings, academic curriculum, placements, infrastructure, and facilities. Number 1. Almeen College of Pharmacy, Bangalore. Almeen College of Pharmacy is a very good institute that provides good placement opportunities. Students here get selected on campus by recruiters like Eli Lilly and Company, etc. Number 2. Bombay College of Pharmacy, Mumbai. Bombay College of Pharmacy is another great college which provides placement opportunities to its students in top companies like Panacea Biotech Limited, E-Medicine Galaxy Private Limited, Tata Consultancy Service, Gattifos, Indian Pharmaceutical Association, etc. Number 3. JSS College of Pharmacy, Ooty. JSS College of Pharmacy is also one of the best pharmacy colleges in India and provides placements of up to 70% every year. The average salary offered is around INR 3 LPA. Companies that visit this college for recruitment are Novartis and Orchid. Number 4. Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Science, Manipal. Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Science is a very good college which provides decent placement opportunities. The highest package offered last year was around INR 8 LPA, and the average package offered was around INR 4 LPA. The top recruiters are Himalaya, Novartis, Lupin, Cipla, and Biocon. Number 5. Pune College of Pharmacy, Pune. Pune College of Pharmacy is a private college which offers decent placement opportunities. The average placement package offered is around INR 2 LPA. The top hiring companies are Cipla, Novartis, Lupin, Ranbaxy, and Apollo. Number 6. Guru Nanak Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology, Kolkata. Guru Nanak Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology provides placement opportunities in some top companies like Abbott Healthcare, Nestle India, Lupin, Dabur Pharmaceutical, Standard Pharma, and GlaxoSmithKline Pharmaceuticals. Number 7. Jamia Hamdard University, New Delhi. Jamia Hamdard University provides more than 90% placements every year. The highest salary offered last year was INR 7.2 LPA, and the average package offered was INR 3.5 LPA. The top visiting companies are Lupin, Cipla, Novartis, Sun Pharma, Fortis, and Ranbaxy. Number 8. PSG College of Pharmacy, Coimbatore. PSG College of Pharmacy is also one of the most prestigious colleges in India. It provides more than 70% placements. The top recruiters are Sun Pharma, Biocon, Ranbaxy, and Alembic.
Thank you for watching this video. For more video update and for lecture videos, please like, comment, and subscribe our channel. If you want to download lecture notes, then please join our Facebook group. From our Facebook group, you can download our lecture notes from file section. Link is in the description box. Thank you.